Hello, my dear students. This is Abhishek Mishra, Faculty of Social Studies at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. In this video, we will be doing with our geography chapter number 2, that is agriculture. In my last video, I had explained you about the types of farming that are practiced in our country. And in this video, we will study about the 3 different cropping season that used to take place in a particular year in India. So mainly these seasons are described as Rabi season, Kharif season and Zaid season. So these are the mainly 3 types of crops that are grown in our country. Mainly these Rabi crops, the seeds are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Some important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. Though these crops are grown in large parts of India, states from north and northwestern parts such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, UP, these are the important producers of wheat and other Rabi crops. This northeastern and the northwestern part, mainly Punjab, Haryana, so these are the most prosperous state in terms of agriculture, because the soil that is found in these states are brought down by some Himalayan rivers, and these soils are very much fertile. Now, moving further, we will see the availability of precipitation, that is called Varshan in Hindi. During winter months, due to the western temperate cyclones help in the success of these crops. However, the success of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, western UP, parts of Rajasthan has also been important factor in the growth of above mentioned Rabi crops. So mainly 2 things are there that are influencing the agricultural produce of these regions, that is the Green Revolution started by MS Swaminathan and the availability of precipitation. पानी अच्छा बरसता है. दूसरा, the farmers are very much prosperous and they can use many of the modern agricultural inputs. Now, coming to the second type of crop, that is your Kharif crop, in which the seeds are sown with the onset of monsoon, mainly in the month of May to July, and then they are harvested in September to October. Important crops grown during this season are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, that is arhar, dal, pulses, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. Some of the most important rice growing regions are Assam, West Bengal, coastal regions of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast along with UP and Bihar. So these are the states that mainly grow the Kharif crop. Rice is a Kharif crop. Paddy is very important in Punjab and Haryana, and in states like Assam and Bangladesh and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in here, that are Oz, Aman and Boro. Now coming to the very last season of the crop, that is the Zaid season. It is a very short season in which the crops like watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, तरबूज हुआ आपका, खरबूज हुआ, कुकम्बर, खीरा वगैरह जो होता है, mainly such type of crops that have plenty of water in them are mainly grown in this season. Fodder crops, those which are used by the animals, they are also used in this season. Now we will be coming to the major crops that are grown in India, in which firstly we will describe the rice. So directly we will start from rice. Here is rice. Rice is the staple food crop of a majority of the people in India, and our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a Kharif crop which requires high temperature above 25 degrees C and high humidity with annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. So we can say कि a moderate or more than moderate rainfall is needed and high temperature is needed for the production of rice. This is the staple diet of many of the Indians, means सबसे ज़्यादा भारत में अगर कुछ खाया जाता है तो वो चावल है. Southern states आप देख सकते हैं, plenty of rice is used in such kind of states. In the areas where there is less rainfall, rice is produced with the help of irrigation. सिंचाई के माध्यम से जो मॉडर्न मीन्स होते हैं उनके मीन्स से हमारे यहाँ राइस उन रीजन में उगाया जाता है. Rice is grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. मेनली जो डेल्टाइक रीजन्स हैं जो आपको वेस्ट बंगाल में देखने को मिलेंगे, नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इंडिया हुआ, आपके पंजाब हुआ, देन आपका हरियाणा हुआ, यूपी हुआ, बिहार हुआ, इन सभी जगह पे आपको राइस आराम से देखने के लिए मिल जाएगा. वेस्ट बंगाल भी आपका नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न वाले पार्ट में आ जाता है. सो हेयर इन दीज स्टेट्स यू मे फाइंड कि राइस इज ग्रोन इन अ वेरी लार्ज अमाउंट. नाउ we are coming to the second crop, that is the wheat. So wheat is the second most important cereal crop. अनाज के रूप में अगर देखेंगे, so following rice, wheat is the second most important crop in our country. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of the country. Wheat is the rabi crop that is grown in the months of winter. Now this rabi crop, as it has been grown in winter season, so it requires a cool growing season. In winter you may find bright sunshine, चमकीली धूप निकलती है, so that is also needed by wheat for the time of ripening. It requires a very average amount of rainfall, that is 50 to 75 centimeter, and that is evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country, like the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Rajasthan and some parts of Madhya Pradesh. So mainly you can say that wheat is your rabi crop, grown in winter season, needs bright sunshine, cool growing season, average rainfall, and mainly grown in the Ganga Satluj plain, Punjab, Haryana and UP. Now millets we will discuss in our next video. Till then, thank you, goodbye and God bless.